Model name Elite seat. Item dimensions LxWxH18 by 24 by 25 inches. Item weight 5 pounds. TypeSleeper. Seating capacity 2. Included components foldable chair. Polyester. Magical surprise. It's all in the unboxing experience. You won't believe that we squeezed this sofa lounger chair into this tiny box until you see it for yourself. Once it's out of the bag, follow the simple instructions listed on the insert and it will begin to puff up, but be patient, it may take a bit for your Elite seat to reach its full size. Easy 3 Step compressed to puff. Comes with an interactive insert with an easy 1, 2, 3-step guide on making sure your new Elite seat reaches its full PUFF-tential once removed from its itty-bitty box. Also includes cutout props for that perfect photo op. Just a quick snap. Use as a soft seat or with a few quick snaps unfold to transform your buddy into a super comfy lounger. Long-lasting. These sturdy seats are so durable even adults can't resist a little lounge time. Dimensions. Sofa seat, 18 D by 24 inches WX25, H. Lounger, 55 D by 24 inches WX18, H. Age recommendation. The Elite Seat Sofa Chair Lounger is suitable for children 3 years and up. Elite seats are the perfect, just my size seat for your littles who outgrew their sweet seat, but still want their snuggle buddy. This taller, larger seat can be unfolded for an extra comfy lounge. Made with premium fabrics and soft foam inserts, these cuddly seats are perfect as room decor and as a child's favorite plush pal. Usable as a cozy reading spot or transform into a lounger for a super comfy movie night. Each character comes with 4 easy snaps to transform and a handle to carry across the room, down the stairs, or out the door. Top reviews from the United States. Lightweight and easy to clean. My son loves this chair, likes to fold one part over his feet. It's great to move around the house to different rooms and is easy to clean. When it is folded up in a chair style, it's not as comfortable as it should be. My son is 20 months and just starting to sit up in it comfortably because it's a small butted area, but overall great and worth the money.